video on how I thread my sewing machine. Put the thread right there. Take it around this little part right here. Then you take it down here. Scoop around. You go around here. Gotta make sure this is up, and then you go through this hole. Once you go through that hole, make sure your needle is down. Then you take it through this hole right here. Grab that thread. Then you use your wheel, press your needle back up. You can use this little thing to help thread the needle. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. Well, I never really use this thing, but you're supposed to put it in there. Put this thread through this hole. Dang, I did better if I threaded it myself. I don't never use this. I usually just thread it by myself, but I thought I was about to be, this was about to help me go quicker, but it actually slowed me down. Okay, so that's how you thread, or that's how I thread my machine. Shalom, shalom.